This is 9-33 in geometry. It says the word mid-segment. Does anyone happen to know what that means?
It's the middle.
It's the middle line, which means that the scale factor is 2.
Okay. Yeah, like this side and this side are the same. So basically the little triangle, see how that's 1 tick mark? The big triangle's 2. You know what I mean? Because these are equal. And same thing as this. So if you guys will buy that, because it is true, the big
line.
yeah, this one here and this one. So the little triangle, or in other words, the big triangle is twice as big as the little triangle.
Divided by 2.
So
No, that's the area. It doesn't work that way because you gotta do the sideline.
so the big one is ABC, right?
Yes.
ABC. So I can't just take half of that. Why can't I take half of that?
Because if you take half of that, it would be the 2 sides multiplied together. Because remember, you gotta divide it by 2.
The scale factor is a half. The linear scale factor is a half between the big one and the little one, right?
Yeah.
So for area, I have to square it, because remember area, square area? Or remember the story about the little mascot's pennant? And remember they made the pennant twice as big, and then we cut out the triangles, and it turned out that 4 of the little triangles fit into the big triangle, because it wasn't just 2. The scale factor was 2, but you had to square it in 4. So if I just square this, I'll get 1/4. So that means that the area of, if the area is 96 of the big triangle, the little triangle will be 1/4 of 96. So in other words, we can go 96 divided by 4.
24.
That's 24.
24.
Square unit.
Question? Actually, I'll wait till it's done recording.
Yeah. So did they give us any units? They're just units. So it's 24 square units. And did we answer all the questions that they want? Explain how you know. You could say
My teacher told me.
linear scale factor is 1/2. So 1/2 squared equals 1. I don't know if that's explaining it.
It works.
Equals 1/4.
I don't think they're taking geometry. They're doing algebra 2, so I don't know if they don't.
Anyway, the way that it says in the book, it just says, since it's a mid-segment, that means that the small triangle is half of the scale factor is half, and then the ratio is 1/4. And then if you just show your work, that's good. You know, like you showed your work. Okay, so that's good enough.